Swing Hoon's game. Wake up in what feels like a video game from hell. 1 minute he is living his dull paycheck to paycheck life. The next he is in god-forsaken dungeon being told to survive or die. No tutorial, no respawn, just a giant mental finger from the universe. The administrators, those god-like beings running the show, look at him like a reality TV producer stares at a guy holding a sign that says, "We'll do anything for cash," just like a Mr. Beast show. Think whose first thought, this must be what it feels like waking up after a night of tickles shots, no memory, no dignity, and definitely no way out. In first trial, the instructions are simple: kill or be killed. While some poor bastard starts crying about mortality, Singhun's already thinking mortality? In this economy? Yeah, good luck with that, Gandhi. He watches one guy screams, "We can get through this together, right?" Before getting his head smashed into pieces. Singh Who's mutters under his breath, "Well, that's one less idiots to share rations with." He quickly learns the rules of this world. Trust is for weak, alliances are temporary, and being nice is about as useful as a condom inconvenient. Swing Hoons isn't here to play hero. In one trial, players have to cross a tightrope while monsters attack from the below. Some start suggesting strategies like work together and taking turns. Swing Hoons, he grabs the loudest complainer and tossed him off the rope. When everyone stares at him, he smirks and says, "Relax guys, he's just making friends with gravity like Isaac Newton's. Let's move on." Later, the group stumbles upon food stash. Everyone agrees to share equally, but when the night falls, Simhuns eat most of it and leaves a note that says, "Thanks for the dinner. P.S. You should probably check your rations before trusting anyone." One of the best moments came when a player accused him for the betrayal. Singh Hoos just stares at him and says, "Betrayal? Nah, I prefer the term creative problem solving." By now, Sung Hoon has mastered the game rhythm. In one trial where players must sacrifice someone to unlock the next stage, everyone starts debating who should go first. Sung Hoon sighs and loudly says, "You know what? Let's vote. Democracy, great, right?" Everyone nods, relieved until he points at the guy who looks the weakest and says, "I vote for him. Majority rules. You go to hell." When someone calls him a monster, Sing Hoon just smirks and replies, "If I am a monster, what does make you?" By next meal, the administrator starts taking notice of his one even comment. "This guy is ruthless." Sung Hoon overhearing and smirks and says, "Ruthless? Nah, I'm efficient. If I wanted to be ruthless, I start studying rent for all the space I take up in your mind." Swing Hoon's reputation spread like a wildfire. Other players whisper about the guy who will betray you before you can say alliance. One guy tries to form a truce, saying, "We can watch each other's back." Swing Hoon grins and replies, "Sure, I will watch your back and your throat when isolated." In practically twisted trial, player must kill someone they have grown close to. Swing Hoon does not even flinch. He stabs his so-called friend and says, "Don't worry, I will keep your memory alive, or at least your inventory." By now, Swing Hoon isn't just surviving, he is thriving. The administrators are obsessed with antics, and the other players fear him more than the trial themselves. One challenge involves facing monster that feeds on fear while everyone else panics. Swing Hoon just laughs and says, "Fair buddy, I have been broke, lonely, and unemployed. You have gonna try harder than that." When he finally defeats the beast, he looks at the group of dead pawns and sees all you need is brain, guts, willingness to betray everyone you ever meet. Saying who knows he's been burning bridges, but as he puts it, "Bridges are for losers. I am building an empire of ashes." Now he is no longer just a contestant. He is the game's ultimate wildcard. The administrators loves him, the players fear him, and Swingles, he just started. In his own words, "Willing does not survive, they thrive, and if you are not thriving, you are already that person." I hope you like this video and keep supporting me as always you do, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more updates.